Alright, today we are working on a 2003 Toyota Highlander. Customer complaint, poor drivability, poor performance, gas consumption is up the roof, and then we have a code for p0135, and then we have a intermittent misfires, but I already diagnosed the problem. It's because of the bank 1 sensor 1, which is the code for the sensor. It's making it misfire sometimes, not all the times, but only going up hills. So this is very simple, very quick job. Tools that you're going to be needed is just the oxygen sensor wrench. You can rent that at AutoZone. And then don't try to get some aftermarket O2 sensor like some Bosch one. Try to go with the Denso. This was $200. We got this at the auto parts store, but I know online it's cheaper, but the customer needs it right now, so there is no waiting time on this. And then I'll show you where that's at right now. Oh, and then it's gonna be under the car, obviously. You can either jack it up or put it on ramps. So you can either lift it up from the subframe right there. Same thing right there. Those are the jacking up points. So you're gonna go in the back of the motor where the exhaust is, and then that's gonna be the sensor right there. We'll go ahead and take it off, and then the connector's up on top right there. So that wire goes right up to there. So what I did was to push out the connector. I pushed down on this side. Let's see if I can show that better. So in the connector right here, I just push down right here, just with my thumb or with my finger. Then you're gonna push the sensor in forward just so it can release, and then pull back. I already got the sensor in. Thought I was recording, but I wasn't. The new sensor didn't come with anti-seize, but make sure that you put anti-seize just on the thread only and nowhere near this piece. That's where it's going to be getting its reading, and you don't want no buildup on here. And then thread this in first, and then go ahead and, as soon as you torque it down or tighten it down with your wrench, then go ahead and plug it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if this video helped you out. Comment below, and then hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.